A tiny seed buried deep within the earth holds the blueprint for a towering oak. A single drop falling into a still pond creates ripples that stretch far beyond its point of origin. Just like these forces of nature, a single thought, a single belief, has the potential to shape the course of your entire life. You are not merely a passenger in your own story. You are the author, the architect, the creator. Your mind is a canvas, your thoughts the brushstrokes, and your life the masterpiece that emerges. What you believe you can achieve. The reality you experience is a reflection of the world you've crafted within. Have you ever noticed how two people can experience the same event, yet walk away with completely different interpretations? One might see opportunity, while the other sees only obstacles. This isn't mere coincidence. It's a testament to the incredible power our minds hold over our reality. Our thoughts, like seeds, contain the essence of what will eventually blossom into our experiences. When we focus on the positive, we plant seeds of joy, abundance, and success. Conversely, dwelling on negativity nurtures weeds of doubt, fear, and limitation. Every thought we have, every belief we hold, acts as a filter through which we perceive the world. These filters color our experiences, influencing how we interpret events, interact with others, and, ultimately, shape our lives. Consider your beliefs as the architects of your reality. If you believe you are worthy of love and happiness, you'll attract people and situations that mirror those beliefs. If you believe you are capable of achieving great things, you'll find the courage and resources to pursue your dreams. The most extraordinary aspect of this power is that it is entirely within your control. You have the ability to choose your thoughts, to shift your beliefs, and to rewrite the narrative of your life. Think of your mind as a garden. You wouldn't intentionally plant weeds, would you? Yet, we often allow negative thoughts to take root, choking out the vibrant flowers of positivity and possibility. By becoming aware of your thoughts and consciously choosing to focus on the positive, you begin to cultivate a mental landscape that supports your growth and well-being. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It simply means choosing to see the silver lining in every cloud, to find the lesson in every setback, and to focus on what you want to create rather than what you fear. When you plant seeds of gratitude, you harvest a bountiful crop of appreciation. When you sow seeds of love, you cultivate a garden of deep and meaningful connections. And when you nurture seeds of self-belief, you unleash your full potential and create a life that is truly extraordinary. At the heart of this power to shape our reality lies a profound principle known as the law of assumption. This law suggests that by assuming the feeling of our wishes fulfilled, we align ourselves with the frequency of our desires, drawing them into our experience. It's not about wishful thinking or pretending, but rather about embodying the emotions and mindset of having already achieved what we seek. When we wholeheartedly assume the feeling of our desires as already manifested, we send a powerful signal to the universe. We shift our vibration to match the frequency of our goals, attracting them to us like a magnet. It's as if we're tuning our internal radio to the station of our dreams, allowing its melody to fill our lives. The beauty of the law of assumption lies in its simplicity. It doesn't require elaborate rituals or complicated techniques. It's about shifting your perspective and aligning your inner world with the reality you wish to create. Instead of focusing on the lack of what you desire, immerse yourself in the feeling of already having it. Visualize yourself living your dream life, feeling the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment that comes with it. Accept the emotions as if they were already your reality. By doing so, you are not merely hoping or wishing for your desires to come true. You are actively participating in their manifestation by aligning your energy with their fulfillment. You are becoming a vibrational match for the life you envision, allowing it to effortlessly unfold before you. The law of assumption isn't confined to a single aspect of life. It's a versatile tool that can be applied to any area you wish to transform. In the realm of career, instead of fixating on the lack of your dream job, immerse yourself in the feeling of already having it. See yourself excelling in your role, receiving recognition, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. By assuming the feeling of career fulfillment, you open yourself up to opportunities and synchronicities that lead you closer to your ideal path. In relationships, rather than dwelling on the absence of love or companionship, cultivate the feeling of being deeply loved and cherished. Allow yourself to experience the joy, intimacy, and connection you desire. By radiating this energy, you become a magnet for loving and fulfilling relationships. When it comes to health and well-being, shift your focus from illness and discomfort to the feeling of vitality and wholeness. Visualize yourself with boundless energy, vibrant health, and a body that functions optimally. By aligning with the frequency of well-being, you activate your body's natural healing abilities and attract experiences that support your health goals. And for those seeking abundance, don't let the lack of financial resources dictate your reality. Instead, embody the feeling of wealth and prosperity. See yourself living comfortably, giving generously, and enjoying the freedom that financial security provides. By assuming the feeling of abundance, you open the doors to opportunities that lead to financial growth and prosperity. In each of these areas, the key is to feel the emotions associated with the desired outcome as if it were already your reality. Your feelings act as a powerful GPS system, guiding you towards experiences that match your emotional state. When you feel joy, you attract more joyful experiences. When you feel gratitude, you open the door to even greater abundance. When you feel love, you draw more love into your life. By consciously choosing the emotions you cultivate, you become the architect of your own reality. You attract the experiences, people, and opportunities that resonate with your innermost desires, creating a life that is rich, fulfilling, and truly extraordinary. On the path to manifesting our desires, it's natural to encounter moments of doubt and negative self-talk. These internal whispers of fear and insecurity can cast shadows on our brightest dreams and hinder our progress. However, it's important to remind yourself that these challenges are not roadblocks. They are merely detours on the journey to creating the life you envision. Doubt often stems from past experiences, ingrained beliefs, or societal conditioning. It can manifest as a nagging voice in our heads, questioning our worthiness or our ability to achieve our goals. Negative self-talk can amplify these doubts, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy that keeps us stuck in patterns of limitation. But here's the empowering truth. You have the power to silence those voices and rewrite the narrative of your life. Just as you wouldn't let a stranger dictate your choices, don't allow these limiting beliefs to hold you back. The first step to overcoming doubt is to become aware of it. Pay attention to the thoughts that arise when you envision your dreams. Do you hear a chorus of "I can't" or "I'm not good enough"? Identifying these negative patterns is crucial to dismantling their power. Once you've become aware of the doubt, challenge it with evidence to the contrary. Remind yourself of past successes, your unique strengths, and the unwavering support you have from loved ones or mentors. Look for examples of others who have achieved what you desire, proving that it is indeed possible. Another powerful strategy is to replace negative self-talk with affirmations that align with your desired outcome. Instead of saying, "I'll never get that promotion," try affirming, "I am capable and deserving of success in my career." By consciously choosing positive statements, you reprogram your subconscious mind and cultivate a belief in your own potential. Your thoughts are not facts. They are simply interpretations of reality, shaped by your past experiences and current beliefs. By choosing to focus on empowering thoughts, you create a new reality, one that is aligned with your dreams and aspirations. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or temporary failures. They are not indicators of your worth or potential, but rather opportunities for growth and learning. View them as valuable feedback, guiding you towards a more refined approach. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out people who uplift and inspire you, who believe in your dreams as much as you do. Their energy and support can act as a powerful antidote to doubt and negativity. Most importantly, be patient and kind to yourself. Changing ingrained beliefs and thought patterns takes time and effort. Celebrate every small victory, every step forward, no matter how insignificant it may seem. Each positive action reinforces your belief in yourself and brings you closer to your desired outcome. The law of assumption isn't just a theory. It's a practical tool that you can start using right now to shape your reality. Experiment with it, apply it to different areas of your life, and witness the incredible transformations that unfold. As you begin to see the results, your belief in its power will solidify, fueling your motivation to continue on this path of conscious creation. The power to create the life you desire resides within you. You are not a passive observer, but an active participant in the unfolding of your own story. By harnessing the power of your thoughts and feelings, you can manifest your dreams into reality. So go forth and create the life you've always imagined. The possibilities are limitless. If this video has sparked a flame of inspiration within you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on the law of assumption and other empowering tools for personal growth.